Hi, for today's teardown, directly unboxing to teardown of this. It is some Eastern Germany electronics, the KSMG 11A. It is a remote display for radiation alerter system. And as you can see, it was packed in January of 1988. So almost exactly 30 years ago. And it is still all in the original packing material. So we will unpack it. As you can see, pretty serious straps keeping it closed. The cardboard is a little bit old, but still quite good. So what do we have in this? First, warranty card from the Robotron Mass Electronic. Yes, it is a display, remote display. Web Robotron Mass Electronic Autoshon in Dresden. And this is dated of March 1988, really enough. There is some warranty conditions here. And we have even English writings. So I will zoom on it for you. Then we will have warranty terms of the thing. And if it does not work, you can complain here and call this phone number. Also, a little bit of Russian, and the same text here in Russian. Okay, so what do we have in this? First, the packing material is original. And it looks like they did recycle some plastic foil from bags or wrappings, candy wrappers or something like this. Quite interesting. I can see some bits of German written on it. But yes, web it is written here, so yes, it is East German plastic. Recycled, very nice. Not something you can expect. And here is our device. So green box with a very long wire and more of the same stuff at the bottom. So what do we have in here? Look at this. New old stock display box with 3 LED displays, 7 segments and a bunch of LEDs all around. Some kind of a loudspeaker, on off button here, cable gland, model and serial number here on the side, and the output wire. And oddly enough, you can see there is only it is just one coax. So probably you have to power it with a DC and you have to feed an AC signal at the same time to make the display work. It is interesting. I have no idea of which kind of AC signal it needs, but I can try to apply some DC power on it and see what happens. So I assume the positive will be the center conductor. And let's push the power. Yes, look at this. It is displaying 2 zeros. It is pretty dim, so I will cut my light and you can see better. It is displaying something at least. With just 5 volts, you just have this dot, and then it gets turned on. But I believe it will do nothing else. Okay, so time to open it. So it looks like we just have 2 screws. They are not very tight. And in fact I did probably open it previously. And here it is. We have a seal all around. We have some piece of foam here. We have a cable entrance, grounding wire here. Here also, and the coax is connected in here, and we have obviously a stack of 3 PCBs. So I will need to unsolder this in order to get rid of the box on the side and be able to have a better look. But first, here I can notice this button is actually just a magnet, and there is a red contact here. Probably completely overkill. Just to turn on or off a speaker. Very interesting. We have some wires here going actually to the speaker. And this thing to disconnect. So I will be right back. Okay, wires are disconnected. Now I can try to find the tools and remove the screws. I have one here because I want to see, have a better look at the front display parts in particular. But it looks like I will be annoyed with over tight screws. It's interesting. We have standoffs here, you can see, but then this screw here was really hard to do. You can see there is a flat link here to the top PCB. Yes, I do not know if maybe some of the conformal coating material did leak inside the screw threads or something like this. They are pretty common screws, so I may replace them actually before putting everything back together. It is quite weird when you have tiny screws and you do not expect them to be. Yes, look at this. They did put something on the thread and really they are holding tight. This one in particular. need bigger screwdriver again. Let's try with this one. Okay, interesting. As you can see, I am quite used of dealing with hard screws, but this one was not easy. Okay, so we have quite nice view here of these two PCBs already, with a very weird IC numbers, all East German numbers probably, weird logo on the IC. Even the transistors have weird numbers, typically East German resistors here, with a grey color. This looks very regular parts, in fact, board to board links. More of them here. Okay. And now I have to try to undo these standards. Okay, it is a correct size. Wow. They are also pretty impressively tight, believe me. Here we are. I will take care of this later. And I have more of them to undo. Because there is something nice on the front PCB I want to show you. Wow, this was never undone before. You can be pretty sure about this. Two more of them to deal with. Oops. One more of them to deal with. I will try to clean the broken screw later and replace this part. So this is coming. We have one more piece of foam here. But here we are stuck. Pretty hard, in fact. Let me try to find something to wiggle it. This spacer here at least. Okay. Here we are. So I will spray some WD-40 in this and I believe I will be able to remove it. So look at this. Isn't this beautiful? So the speaker itself seems quite interesting. I can see there is a big circlip here and this cover, which is probably press fit. So first we will have a look at this part and then yes. Seems it is just probably I guess a piezo speaker. Let me see if I can find something to undo the circlip. completely oversized, by the way. Yes, so I will not deal with it. Anyway, it is just what seems to be a flat piezo speaker, nothing else. But here we have, first you can notice, of course, this big flat package with brand here, and it is, yes, some kind of a big hybrid module. Very, very nice. We have a bunch of status LEDs in triangular shape. The remains LEDs you can find in all the car radios. And we have these three very beautiful displays. Actually, on the side you can see the bottom piece is some silver coated metal part with a red glass glued over it, and I can guess the support material for the LED display must be probably ceramics. So very interesting work here, in particular for this hybrid, but sadly it is not possible to open it with no damage, so maybe this is available somewhere on the web and you can find a photo of it already opened. And I did just notice here on the side some very nice shielded capacitors. So here we are. Now I will try to deal with this broken screw and put back together this quite amazing piece of Eastern German electronics. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.